Inappropriate compaction can cause structural failure. That's why checking surface compaction is mandatory. Welcome to Civil Engineering Ustad. In this video, we will show you how the field density test is performed by using a nuclear gauge at a real site. If you are a civil engineer or a QA/QC engineer, then this video is for you. The field density test or FDT checks how well soil is compacted at a site. To perform this test, turn on the gauge and allow for stabilization according to the manufacturer recommendation. After that, mark the test location as per consultant recommendation. Place the steel plate firmly on the surface and drive the pin into the soil using a hammer. After driving the pin to the required depth, carefully remove it using the extractor to create a hole for the probe. Place the gauge firmly on the soil, insert the probe into the prepared hole and start the test. The device will measure wet density, dry density, and moisture content of the soil. Test result will appear on the test machine screen. Note the results, remove the probe, and move to the next points. The results include water content, fill wet density, compaction percentage. During testing, always maintain a safe distance from the gauge to avoid radiation exposure. As you can see in this video, the test performer is standing at a safe distance to avoid radiation exposure. For the gift file, comment below and we will share you the gift file. Thank you for watching.